Okay, so yesterday we started with doing types, special kinds of matrices, right? So we started with, I think we did symmetric as well as skew symmetric matrices, right? So I'll just repeat what was symmetric and skew symmetric matrices once again, because we did it in the last. So symmetric matrix has a property in which uh, uh, the matrices which is of the form of A, just wait. Yeah. Okay, so symmetric matrices was the matrices which was of the form of where A, mhm, okay, hmm, where Aij, okay, of any matrix was equals to Aji, Aji, है ना? If this is true, then the matrix was called as symmetric matrix. Okay, fine. So for example, if the matrix is of the form, if I'll give you an example, right? So this is suppose A, B, C, and this is D, E, F. So this will also be D, E, F. Okay. So every element such as this one will be same. These two elements will be same, and these two elements will be same. Okay. And the diagonal elements, they, because A11 will be equals to A11, so diagonal elements we don't have to think about it. Okay. Next was skew symmetric. So skew symmetric matrix will be of the following form. So if you're talking about skew symmetric, so Aij will be equals to Aji. Aij will be equals to Agi. This kind of a matrix is known as skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So the example of skew symmetric matrix will be, suppose, so here A, B, C, if I'll write A, B, C. So if I'll write here D, E, F. So here I will write minus D, uh, minus E, and minus F. Now, again, here we have these two will be a negative of each other, means these two will be opposite sign but same in magnitude. These two will be opposite sign but same in magnitude. These two also will be opposite sign but same in magnitude. But what about the diagonal elements? Diagonal elements will have, because diagonal elements will also satisfy the property that A11 should be equals to minus of A11. Okay, so if I'll solve this, if I'll bring this A11 here, so this is 2A11 is equal to 0, or AII, if I'll write it, for that I can have a general result. So if AII I have equal to 0, so that means AII is equal to 0. This means A11, this means A11 is equal to 0, A22 is equal to 0, and A33 also is equal to 0. That means in this case, the diagonal elements, all individual diagonal elements will be equals to 0. So this will be equals to 0, this will be equals to 0, and this will equals to 0. These diagonal elements cannot be anything other than 0. Okay, so these were the properties of uh, skew symmetric and symmetric. Okay. Yeah, now is it visible? Oh, sorry, now is it visible? Okay, sorry, sorry. Fine, so I'll repeat once again. Yeah. So basically, we did what we did yesterday, symmetric and skew symmetric. We did yesterday symmetric and skew symmetric, right? So see, symmetric matrix will be of the form, symmetric matrix will be of the form of when we have this property satisfied. Symmetric matrix will be of the form of when we have this matrix satisfied. That means Aij is equals to Aji. If Aij is equals to Aji, that means it is symmetric matrix, है ना? So this is the example. So when we have Aij is equals to Aji, then just wait. Okay, so if Aij is equals to Aji, then these two elements will be same, E and E will be same, and F and F will be same. Okay, so if I have written A, D, E, means this, and diagonal elements, you don't have to worry about diagonal elements. See, one more thing, that in symmetric matrix also, these diagonal elements, these diagonal can be zero. These diagonals can be zero. There is no restriction on ABC. There is no restriction on ABC. Only the restriction is that if this here you have written D, that means A12 is D, then A21 should also be the same element. If A13 is E, then A31 also has to be E. Okay, so if A23 is F, then A32 should also be F. Diagonal elements can be anything. Diagonal elements can be 0, or diagonal elements can be non-zero values. Okay, there is no restriction on the diagonal elements. Understood? Fine. Next is skew symmetric. Now for skew symmetric matrix, wait, let me explain it once again. For skew symmetric matrix, okay, for skew symmetric matrix, yesterday we have seen the property is that Aij should be equals to minus of Aji. If this is true, then the symmetric matrix is skew symmetric, है ना? So let's see an example. So suppose I have 3 cross 3 matrix. Suppose if I have 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so if I have 3 cross 3 matrix, so if I have here A, B, C, D, E and F. If I have written the diagonals as this and the upper triangular as this, है ना? So these are the elements. So if I have written B here, then here, because this is A 1 2, this is A12, A12 is B, so A21 will be minus B. So here the element will be minus B, right? If A12 is C, if A13 is C, then A31 will be minus of C. So here I will simply substitute with minus C. And if here it is C, here it will be minus C. Okay. Here if it is E, so A23 is E. So A32 will be minus of E. So here it will be minus of E. Now one more thing. Let's see if here non-diagonal elements are okay, right? But what about this A? What about this diagonal elements? What about these diagonal elements? Because diagonal elements should also satisfy the property A11 should be equals to minus of A11. If this is true, then if I'll bring this A11 here, so this will become 2A11 is equals to 0. 2A11 is equals to 0. So that means A11 is equals to 0. So that means when diagonal elements are 0, this matrix will be known as skew symmetric matrix. Okay, everybody understood? Fine. Okay, now see, in symmetric matrix also, the diagonal elements can be 0. There is no restriction, the diagonal elements cannot be 0. Only in skew symmetric, this should be satisfied. Sorry, symmetric, this should be satisfied, and skew symmetric, this property should be satisfied. Okay, so this property is for symmetric, this property is for skew symmetric. Okay, just mention these two. Fine. I hope this is clear for everyone. So let's Okay, so now let's do properties of skew symmetric matrix, है ना? Some properties of skew symmetric matrix. So let's do some properties of skew symmetric matrix. Some properties of skew symmetric matrix. Okay, some properties of skew symmetric matrix. है ना? Pranav, if the matrix is 4 cross 4, then you can simply make it 4 cross 4 and you can just write the elements. If the matrix is 4 cross 4, you can simply write the elements. See? So if the matrix is 4 cross 4, then A, B, C, D, E, E, F, F, G, G. Here you will have H. Here also you will have H. Here you will have I, and here you will have I. Simple. है ना? 4 cross 4, you will have simply this kind of matrix. है ना? So any matrix 5 cross 5, 4 cross 4, you can draw it accordingly. You can draw it accordingly. Okay. So we have to do now properties. Okay. So properties of skew symmetric. Fine. So let's see. So first property of skew symmetric will be the first basic property, which we have already seen. The first basic property, that the diagonal elements will be 0. है ना? So all AIIs of a skew symmetric matrix will be 0. This we have seen because of the property, all the AIIs will be 0. Okay. Second property of skew symmetric is, for any matrix A plus A transpose, for any matrix A plus A transpose is always symmetric, Okay, I'll explain how you will get this. And for A minus A transpose or A transpose minus A, that makes no difference, is always skew symmetric. Okay, A plus A transpose is always symmetric, and A minus A transpose is always skew symmetric. How can we see this? See, suppose you have, let me explain this part. So suppose you have a matrix. I will give you an example. Suppose you have a matrix 3 cross 3. So A is a 3 cross 3 matrix, where A, I, J, this is 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so you are saying that for any matrix A plus A transpose, so suppose you have, so suppose you have, okay, by taking transpose on both sides. Okay, fine. So suppose you have here A11, here you have A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. Suppose you have a matrix like this, this is A. This is matrix A, right? And A transpose will be a matrix in which rows becomes columns and column becomes rows. So this will be, so A11, A12, A13, this will be A21, A22, A23, and this will be A31, A32, and A33. Right? If I'll add these two matrices, you will get A plus A transpose as the first element. This element will be added with this. So this is 2A11. A12 will be added with A21. So A12 plus A21. This is A13 plus A31. Okay. Next element here, it will be A21 plus A12. A21 plus A12. Here will be twice of A22. Here will be A23 plus A32. Here it will be A31 plus A13 A32 plus A23, and here it will be A twice of A33, right? Now if we'll see them closely, if we see the elements closely, this element is exactly equals to this. A12 plus A21 is A21 plus A12, right? These elements are same. These two elements are same, right? And these two elements are same. Okay. So when we will add any matrix and its transpose, you will always get a symmetric matrix. When you will add any matrix and its transpose, you will always get a symmetric matrix. Understood? And if you subtract any matrix and its transpose, okay. So suppose in this, if I'll subtract these two, in this, if I'll subtract these two, then if in this I will subtract these two. So see what will happen in this, in the same example, if I'm subtracting. So let's see, I will just check these two elements and I will just check these two elements, this one and this one. So if I'll write these two elements, okay. So if I'll write these two here, if I'll subtract, so I will get A12 minus A21, A12 minus A21. This is this element, है ना? This is this element. So you will have some element here, you will have some element here, you will have some element here. Okay. So I'm writing this element and this one. So here it will be A21 minus A12. This is A21 minus A12. See, the sign is exactly opposite. So there will be some element here, some element here. Right? The only thing is the sign is different. Hai na? These all elements will become 0 because A11 minus A11 is 0. So this is 0. This is 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. Right? So these all diagonal elements are 0 and these elements will be of opposite sign. So this will be a skew symmetric matrix. Understood? Fine. Just copy this. Fine. Okay. Okay. Very good. Next. Next is the third property. अच्छा बच्चे लास्ट में just wait. See, okay, I will write it once again. I will write the skew symmetric and symmetric matrix once again. है ना? So suppose in this case only, if you'll subtract, suppose if you subtract a minus a dash, suppose if you'll subtract a minus a dash, है ना? So I will start subtracting that two values. Okay, I will start subtracting the two matrix. So let's see. So a minus a dash, a minus a transpose. So a11 minus a11 will be 0. A11 minus a11 0. A12 minus a21. A12 minus a21. A13 minus a31. A13 minus a31. Okay. A21 minus a12. A21 minus a12. A22 minus a22. A22 minus a22. A23 minus a32. A23 minus A32. A31 minus A13. A31 minus A13. A32 minus A23. A32 minus A23 and A33 minus A33. Okay. Now if we'll see them again closely, this all the diagonal elements, this one is equals to 0, this one is equals to 0, and this one is equals to 0. So diagonal elements are all 0. So diagonal elements are all 0. Right? Diagonal elements are all 0. Now if we'll see these elements, right? If we'll see these elements, so let's see. This element is A11. This element is A11 minus A21. A11 minus A21. है ना? And what does this element becomes? What is this element? This is A11 minus A21, and this element is A21 minus A12. So these two are opposite in sign, By these two are opposite in sign. Yes, A13 minus A31, and this is A31 minus A13. So these two are also opposite in sign. These two are also opposite in sign, and similarly with this one, these two are also opposite in sign, right? So what we are getting these elements. So if I'll write, suppose if I'll write this, if I'll write this matrix as suppose B, if I'll write this matrix as suppose B, okay? So if I write this matrix as B, so this will be B11, this is B12, this is B12, and so this will become B21, right? So B12 is equals to A12 minus A21, which is equals to minus of A21 minus A12, and this is nothing but minus of B21. So from here we are getting B12 is equals to B21. Okay, and generally we can write Bij is equals to minus of Bji. Hence it is a skew symmetric matrix. Understood? Naveen, did you understood now? Yes, everybody understood? B12 is equals to minus of B21. है ना? Okay, fine, very good. Now let's see next. Okay, fine. So the next is, now see, if you remember in even and odd function, we have written something like this, that any function can be written as a sum of even and odd, right? So in this also, any matrix can be written as, so the third I think it was fourth property, third property is, so the third property is that any matrix can be written as, the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, the sum of its symmetric and okay, so any matrix can be written as the sum of its symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now remember this we are talking about only square matrix, because symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, you are talking about square matrix. So if we are talking about any matrix, so it is this implies itself that here we are talking about a square matrix, है ना? Okay, so that means suppose this is any matrix, right, which is not symmetric and skew symmetric but is a square matrix, है ना? So A is a square matrix. Okay, so A can be written as A plus A transpose by 2, है ना? And this is plus A minus A transpose by 2, right? So what is this? This is called the symmetric part. This is called the symmetric part of the matrix. This is called the symmetric part of the matrix. Okay. This is called the symmetric part. Okay. Symmetric part. And this is called the skew symmetric part. This is called the skew symmetric part. Okay, similar thing we have seen with odd and even function, है ना? Similar thing we have seen with odd and even function, where we have broken down a non-odd or non-even function into a odd or even part, है ना? So just copy this one also. Okay, so now okay, I hope this part is also clear for everyone. Okay, so let's do some questions based on the matrix, है ना? Let's do some question based on these metrics. Okay, Fine. So write down the question. The question is, if A is equals to if A is equals to 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 1, and B is equals to A 1 and B minus 1, okay, and A plus B and A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square, okay, then the values of A and B are, then the value of A and B, है ना, then the value of A and B are, okay, these two are the metrics given. You have to find the value of A and B. Okay, solve the question. Yes. A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 4. Yes, correct. Very good. Yeah, that is correct. A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 4. Okay, so let's see. So what they're saying is that this is the matrix. A and B are already given. The matrix A and B are already given, and this is the condition given. Yeah, the answer is A is equals to 1, A is equals to 1, and B is equals to 4. है ना? So what they have given is that matrix A is this and matrix B is this. Okay, so what the equation they have given is A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square. A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square, right? So what I will do, I will find the value of A plus B. So A plus B, matrix A plus B is what? 1 plus A and 0. 1 plus A and 0. This is 2 plus B and minus 2. Okay, so this is the matrix A plus B, right? Now what I can do, I can find A plus B whole square. So if I'll find A plus B whole square, if I'll find A plus B whole square, then this matrix will simply be multiplied by 1 plus A, 0, and 2 plus B and minus 2. Okay, so this is the matrix A plus B whole square. So I will simply find the value. So this is 1 plus A whole square plus 0. So this is 1 plus A, this into this plus this into this. So 1 plus A whole square, right? This into this plus this into this. Then this into this plus this into this. So this value is 0. 2 plus B into 1 plus A. 2 plus B into 1 plus A. This into this minus this into minus 2 into 2 plus B. And this will be 2 plus B into 0 minus 2 into 2. This will be 4. So I will write 4 here. And 0 here. Okay, so this is A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square comes out to be this simple so A plus 1 plus A whole square 0. This is, I will simplify this. So this will become, this will simplify into 2 plus 2A plus B plus AB minus 4 minus 2B, right? So this will become minus 2 AB 2A minus 2 2A minus 2 minus B plus AB, right? Okay, yeah, so this is this, right? This gets simplified into this. So if I'll take 2 common, so this will be 2A minus 1 minus B, sorry, plus B A minus 1. So this is A minus 1 into 2 plus B. So this simply gets converted into A minus 1 into 2 plus B. Okay, A minus 1 into 2 plus B, and this is 4. Okay, so this I will simply write as I will simply write as A minus 1 into 2 plus B. So A plus B whole square gets simplified into this matrix, hai na? So this is 1 plus A whole square, 0, 4, and A minus 1 into 2 plus B. Okay, now this matrix is equals to A square plus B square. This matrix is equals to A square plus B square. So I will simply find matrix A square. I will simply find matrix A square. So matrix A square, I will find A square is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. So A square is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So if I'll simply multiply, so this will become 1 into minus 1. So this will simply multiply 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 2. This is 1 into minus 1 and minus 1 into 1 plus 1, right? So this is 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into 1 into minus 1. This is plus 1. So A square is simply nothing but minus 1, 0 and 0 minus 1. Minus 1, 0 and 0 minus 1. And we'll find B square also. If I'll find B square, so B square is A1B minus 1. A1B minus 1 into A1B minus 1. This is simply equals to A square plus B, A minus 1, AB minus B and B plus 1. Okay, now see, if I'll add these two, so I will have A square plus B minus 1, A square plus B minus 1, A minus 1. This is AB minus B plus 0, and this is B plus 1 minus 1, right? I have these, this is A square plus B square, right? Now this A square plus B square should be equals to A plus B whole square. This A square plus B square should be equals to A plus B whole square. And what is the value of A plus B whole square? A value of A plus B whole square we have already found, which is A1 plus A whole square 0, A minus B and A plus 2. So this is 1 plus A whole square 0, 1 plus A whole square 0, A minus 1 and B plus 2 and 4. If I'll compare from these two, I will simply get, so this is B, I will simply get B is equals to 4. and I will, from here I will get A is equals to 1. Okay, just copy this once, then we'll see one more method. Okay, everybody understood? Fine. See, this was one of the method, है ना? One of the method. Another method is, see, A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, right? So let's assume that A plus B is a matrix C. Let's assume that A plus B is a matrix C. So I can write A plus B is equals to C, because this will give you one more matrix C. So if this is C, then I can write C whole square. C whole square means C into C. C whole square means C into C. If I'll now again replace the value of C as A plus B, so this will simply give me A plus B into A plus B, right? Now I will replace C as A plus B again with C as A plus B. So if I'll multiply this, this will become A into A plus B plus B into A plus B, right? Now this is A square plus AB plus B square, sorry, BA in plus B square. Now here we have A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. Now we know that these two are different. These two are different. We cannot simply write this is AB plus BA as 2AB, because these are not, this is not algebraic sum. So this is, so A plus B whole square. So we can simply write A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus AB plus BA plus B square, and this is equals to A square plus B square, right? Now if this is equals to A square plus B square, this A square gets cancelled with A square and this B square will get cancelled with B square. So that means AB plus BA should be equals to 0. That means AB plus BA should be equals to 0. So that means you just have to multiply the matrix AB, first AB, and then you have to multiply matrix BA. From there also we can get this, we will get the same answer. So if you'll do this thing or the previous one, with both you will get exactly the same answer. That is A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 4. Okay, but remember A plus B whole square will be this A square plus B square plus AB plus BA. Understood? Fine. Copy this one also. David, see, A plus B and A plus B are multiplying both. A plus B and A plus B are multiplying both. Now see, when A gets multiplied with A, you will get A square. When A gets multiplied with B, you will get AB. When A gets multiplied with B, you will get AB. Now when B gets multiplied with A, you will get BA. And when B gets multiplied with B, you will get B square. Now see, in the original question, they have given that A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square. I have found A plus B whole square. I have found A plus B whole square. And this I'm equating with A square plus B square. Mithula, did you understood? So now this A square and A square are same. So these will get cancelled and these B square and B square will get cancelled. So you'll simply get A plus AB plus BA is equals to 0. What is this 0? This is a null matrix. This is a null matrix. This 0 is not algebraic 0. This 0 means a null matrix. A plus B and B plus A, these are matrix 2 cross 2. So this is a null matrix of 2 cross 2. So this will be 0 0 0 0, right? Null matrix of 2 cross 2. Understood, Mithula? Did you understood now? Yes. Okay. Vagish, so that is why I have not. nahi nahi bacha, for board you can use any method, but I will suggest you to use the second method. This is the second method. I didn't start it first because I want you to do the long method first and then the second, that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus ab plus ba, not 2ab, है ना? That is why I've written second method in second time. Okay, so that you will know the first method. First method you already know, but second method is the shorter method. So that is why I've written second method afterwards. Okay, copy this one. Okay, fine. Next, let's see one more question if I can get. Okay, write down. Okay, if A and B are two matrix, if A and B are, if A and B are two matrix, matrices such that sir, can we directly prove right? We can directly prove, right? Nahi bacha, that's Gokulnath, that is what I was telling na, that a square plus b square, here a square plus b square is not, because these are matrix, these are matrix, so this is not equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? This is not equals to plus 2ab, because ab and ba might or might not be same. That is why we cannot add these two and we cannot write this as 2ab. है ना? If this was just simply algebraic a and algebraic b, then it would have been 2ab, because in algebra ab and ba are both same, right? But because these are matrices, we cannot write ab plus ba as 2ab, right? Because they might or might not be same. So this is not a general result. We cannot generally write that a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square will give you this. Understood? Fine. So if A and B are two matrices such that AB is equals to A, AB is equals to A, and BA is equals to B, BA is equals to B, then B square is equals to, then B square is equals, then B square is equals to, okay? Solve this. Yes. Correct. Nahi bacha, no, not identity matrix. Try to solve it. It's a very simple question. No bacha, not one bacha. One, B is a matrix bache. How can it be one, Jerry? It's a no, 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 not I, not identity matrix bacha. Think about it. Think about it. No bacha, not one. B is, yeah, B is the answer. Yes, correct. B will be the answer. So answer for this one is B. Yes. Let's see. So let me check the question. A and B are the two matrices such that AB is equals to A and BA is equals to B, then B square is equal, yeah, है ना? So let's see. So they have asked you to find the value of B square, right? So they have asked you to find the value of B square, right? So B square is equals to B into B. So B square is equals to B into B, right? If B square is equals to B into B, then B I can write as BA. So if B I can write as BA, so this will become, if I'll substitute one of the BA as BA or BA into B. Okay. So if BA into B, and if I'll take AB, now this is AB, right? This is AB, and this AB is B into AB is what? A, by from here, because what is this, that AB is equals to A. Now again we got BA and we already have BA is equals to B, so B square will again become equals to B. Understood? Very simple question. So B square is equals to B, है ना? Very good, very good. Just copy this one. Very simple question. Okay, something similar to this one. नहीं बच्चा, अजय, it can be zero, it can be a zero matrix, but नहीं बच्चा, देखो अजय, it can, no, see, here we have A into B is equals to A. So if A into B is A, then both of them have to be zero. Then both of them have to be zero. If both are zero, then obviously it will satisfy. But there we are talking about a general result, है ना? Okay, there we are talking about general result, है ना? Okay, very good, very good. Let's see one more question, something similar to this. So we have, if AB is equals to A, if AB is equals to A and BA is equals to B, and BA is equals to B, where A and B are square matrix, where A and B are square matrices. Okay, then options are A, B square is equals to B and A square is equals to A. A square is equals to A. Okay. Option B, B square is not equals to B and A square is equals to A. Option C, A square is equals to A and B square is equals to B. Sorry, A square is not equals to A and B square is equals to B. And option D is A square not equals to A and B square is not equals to B. Okay. AB is equals to A, B. Okay, fine. Option A, yes. I think this is exactly similar to the previous one. Exactly similar to the previous one. Very good. Yes, everybody is getting A. Exactly similar to the previous one. Yes, option A, yes. Right? You just have to show that A square is equals to A. And same as the previous one. Very good. Write the next question. Write the next question. The question is, if A is equals to is a square matrix, of even order, okay? So this is Aij is a square matrix of an even order such that Aij is equals to I square I square minus j square. such that I square minus j square है ना, then option 1, A is a skew symmetric matrix. A is a skew symmetric matrix. Second, A is a symmetric matrix. है ना, just find out whether A is a symmetric matrix or a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, skew symmetric. Yes, it is a skew symmetric matrix. Everyone is getting skew symmetric. Yes. So if we'll see A, so Aij, so simply Aij will be equals to I square minus j square, and Aji will be equals to j square minus j square minus I square, and also yes, the diagonal elements are all 0, so it will be skew symmetric, right? है ना Lavanya? हाँ, correct. Everybody understood? So because we can simply write that Aij is equals to I square minus j square, and Aji is equals to j square minus I square, right? So Aij is equals to minus of Aji, hence it is a skew symmetric. Okay, understood? Fine, very good. Okay, so this is all for today. I have not done different kinds of matrices. I have not taken more matrices today because I don't want to overburden you with more matrices, right? So what we'll do the remaining, we will do the remaining matrices, remaining special kind of matrices in the next class or on Monday. Okay, so the homework is, I hope you already have got your seekers material. Everybody has collected their seekers material from the office. Has everybody collected their seekers material from the office? Yes, everybody have their seekers material. Yes, I think they have already told you. They have already told you that you can. Okay, yeah. Either you can get. Okay, yeah. Means, bacha, online material or seekers material in PDF form or in hard copy, both are same. है ना? Both are same. Okay, both are same, bacha. Right? So anything you have, either in online materials, fine. So it's okay. So you can start solving questions from seekers material, है ना? You can start solving questions from seekers material. Okay, and I will share the PDF of today's class here. Okay, just wait for a second. Don't write anything right now. Please just wait for a second. Yeah, I have shared the PDF material of today's class, है ना, in the chat. Just correct that. Yes, everybody got the PDF of today's class, है ना? Very good. Okay, chalo. Please start solving. Please start solving questions from. हाँ बच्चा, mid sem question papers we are solving right now, है ना? We are in it's in the process of solving. So once we have completed that, we will also share it with you. Okay. Once again, I'm sharing today's class. Okay, just copy that. Okay, chalo. Thank you very much.